Outstanding design defines the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.